Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use an auto clicker on your iPhone. This is super helpful if you're using an app that needs lots of tapping again and again. Alright, let's get started. So first open your settings app, scroll down and tap on accessibility. Now scroll down again and tap on switch control, then tap on switches. Next at the switches section, tap full screen, then choose default. And then after that, under system, choose tap. This will make the auto clicker tap the screen for you. Now go back and tap on recipes, then tap create new recipe. Name it something like auto clicker. Tap assign a switch, choose a full screen, then tap custom gesture. Now tap on the screen a few times where you want the auto clicker to tap, then try to make the timing smooth. And once you're happy with it, tap save in the top right corner. Now go back and tap launch recipe and select the auto clicker recipe that you just made. And last step, go back to the switch control menu and scroll all the way down and tap accessibility shortcut. Then turn on switch control and then you're all set. Now anytime you want to use the auto clicker, just triple click the side button to turn it on, triple click again to turn it off, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped, and I'll see you on the next one.